You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say
What is
this.
going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here with a very specific shoot for you all. It is a little chilly, so we're going to keep Tiffany warm in between these takes. And so today, pretty simple, high-speed sync shoot. We are testing the new Viltrox 135 f1.8 against the Sigma 135 f1.8, and we are going to see which one renders the best bokeh. Which image do you like? Because I definitely want to hear you all. And then also there is a proprietary motor that they have that's supposed to be 150% quicker than STM motor. So I want you to see if you notice a difference with the focusing and things like that. Now, where can we find you at?
On Instagram, it's TEFARY.T.
Okay, and I was looking for an aesthetically pleasing place. This works. We were looking at some other places, but I'm going to be honest. I'm going to completely shoot wide open and obliterate the background, so it doesn't matter where we are. Okay, so you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go. Yeah, you gotta get she all tucked up. 2, perfect, and look at me. Perfect. I want you to face the other direction though. Yeah, keep your eye where your light is. Perfect. Stay right there. I'm gonna get a full body. Boom. And give me your hands up. Perfect. Okay, so right now this is the Viltrox, and I'm going to test and see how fast it can find focus when it is not focusing on the subject. So not the subject to the subject. 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Perfect. Go ahead, keep doing. Perfect. And bring your hands back down to your side again. Perfect. Love it. Let me see what it looks like. This particular shot, I was able to see a strip of light, and so I want to utilize that strip of light as a backlight for my subject. So I'm with the 135, and you know with the 135 you need some distance. So this is actually the Viltrox, and so I want you to play towards the light. Yes, no, that not that light, the light right there on the stand. Yes, that's it right there. Boom. Let me look and see how that looks. Oh, that looks gorgeous. That looks good, gorgeous. But you got a vantage point right here where you get a different angle. But then also, if I come down to her level, I'll get a different perspective. So let me get a different perspective right here. All right, and here we go. So we get a little bit more character with this shot because you got a little bit more texture. You got the grass in the back, perfect. You can see a piece of the mansion, then the greenery. All right. All right. Let's see, because you're gonna be backlit with you sat right here.
Sorry.
And then yeah. Boom. All right, so one of the most important things is lens flare. So let's see, this is heavily backlit right here. So let's see if we can handle it with the flare coming in. Okay, it still has some flare coming in, but you can definitely still see. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so here we got the Viltrox on. Now, I love the aperture ring. I gotta turn it to auto. We are at F1.8, 1/640. So we are in high speed sync. And the focus is actually nice. I'm loving the compression. The compression is absolutely wonderful. So here we go right now, Tiffany. 1,
I just
2,
can't let you go.
3. Love it.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You
Gorgeous.
said I was the only one.
And put that
No
left
one
hand
likes being
on the side of
lied
the arm right there. Yep. And turn your
You
body
made this
towards me a little
mess
bit
and
more.
left me with
Yeah,
the
right there.
pieces.
Perfect.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my
The light is gone. We are heading into blue hour. So I pretty much got control of the light however I want it. I'm shooting this way because the background is more interesting. This building, it's more of a red brick, which doesn't really contrast well with her orange, kind of burnt orange dress. So I'm shooting more into the greenery because complementary colors. You got the orange mixing well with the green. So you want to stay attentive to your surrounding to get the most pleasing shot.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Okay, so we are right at flash sync speed. This is with the Viltrox. Okay, here we go, right here. I love that. 1, 2. And what I want you to do, I want you to use this. So kind of play with that. Yeah. You can kind of pull on it a little bit. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Boom. I want to know what you all think. This bokeh is gorgeous. All right, let me get a full body like that. 1, 2. And shout out to Tiffany because it is absolutely cold out here. All right, and she is thugging it out for me.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
Is that a real smile? Oh, the I'm freezing smile. Okay. And that is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. 135 Viltrox, 135 G Master Sony. What do you all think? Shooting on an A7S4, and I think Viltrox got something, especially at this price point. You know, definitely go check it out. Let me know, and make sure you follow Tiffany because she froze. She was freezing for you all. It's only right. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.